It's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, leather metal look steering wheel, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, active noise cancellation, active grille shutters, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. GMC, professional-grade vehicle suited to fit your needs. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.